This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm, and today I'm going to show you how I siphon fuel from a 5-gallon jerry can into a tractor with very little spillage. I use a siphon method. Here's what I do. I first open up the jerry can and open up the gas, and I want to check this for moisture. If I see a lot of moisture, I want to wipe it off. Sometimes there's little water droplets. I want to keep it clean. The next thing I do is I start with a clean, flexible tube, and I make sure it is clean. And I check both ends to make sure there's no dirt. Insert into the jerry can. Insert this into the tank you want to fill. And you can blow on this right here and get the siphon to work, or you can do it like this, and that can work. But I prefer to blow because it gets it right away. And the advantage of doing it this way is when this tank is empty, I know it takes about 5.5 gallons, so I can take a 5-gallon bucket and put it in and it won't overflow. But just in case, I turn the ignition switch on to see the tank level as it's rising, and I can also easily monitor it. It's not like I have to stand 10 feet away and crank something and then come running over and seeing if it's overfilled or almost filled up to the top. Many times when you're putting diesel in a tank and you're pumping it in, it gets bubbles, and the bubbles can wash out over the sides of the tractor, creating a spill. This is actually a pretty quick way of doing it. It just takes a couple minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, and this can will be emptied soon. Okay, now all the fuel is out of the tank, or most of it, and it's stopped running. And what I do is I leave it set for a couple seconds, get all the fuel out, and I do like to wipe this off because I don't like the fuel hanging around. So I wipe this end off, and I wipe this end off, and I keep these clean, and it's ready for next time. And we're ready to go with very little spillage. Much better way to do it than to have fuel everywhere. Thank you.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell trees and shrubs for privacy.
Hi, I'm Marge and you're
at Highland Hill Farm. We grow a lot of unusual trees. This is a copper beech. We have many copper beeches, and this is the foliage of the copper beech. If you want copper beeches, we have both seedlings, transplants, potted beeches, and balled and burlap beeches. Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm.